You've heard the saying before about someone not seeing the forest for the trees. It's true. We don't always see the big picture. There's an exhibit at the Houston Museum of Natural Science in Sugar Land that helps kids avoid that problem. Adrienne Barker is director of the Sugar Land Museum.
The exhibit for this summer is called Treehouses, and it's all about how different people use trees for living and all sorts of different purposes.
Here, kids are introduced to the importance of trees in our lives.
And it's called Treehouses because it's a space where children can come and explore and perhaps even pretend that they're in a tree house for a little while. We've got great places for children to come and play and learn. We think that's a great combination for summer when people are looking for fun things to do, but they want to keep kids thinking about exploring and learning new things. Basically, it goes through and talks about different things that live in the forest and live in trees. That begins with insects, then talks about animals that live in trees, and then it talks about how humans use trees for the houses that they live in.
The exhibit is set up so children can explore and learn about the different types of animals and insects that live in forests. They can hear them, see them, and be them.
And then we have some really cute costumes where the children can pretend to be the animals that they learn about in the Treehouses exhibit.
Some of the animals you'll see are surprising.
We have a few little facts that people probably wouldn't know about different ways that animals walk and how their different gait and movement sets them apart from others. One section of Treehouses actually mimics a microscope. In the insect section, people can come in and look at insects under a magnifying glass, and that's a nice fit with our new microscope lab that we have in the earth sciences area. So families can explore down in earth science and take a look at different items under a microscope, and then they can come up here in Treehouses and do the same. We are very excited to have the microscope lab open now, and we encourage children and families to find things at home to bring in and take a look at under the microscope. It's kind of fun. One of the things that we've added here is a Lincoln log area where children can come and play and build things, use their imagination.
If you want to see the Treehouses exhibit, you'll have until Labor Day. It's easy to find. Just follow the sounds of nature. Check out the Houston Museum of Natural Science website at www.hmns.org. For Stafford Magazine, I'm John Woods.